G'day guys, and welcome back to Ton of Fun Autos. And on today's video, we're working on the VZ-SS Ute again, as we continue to prepare it for Morgan Park in a few weeks' time. Now on today's video, we are going to be fitting a catch can to the Ute. The place where I purchased the catch can from, it comes with all the instructions, as I've not done this before, so I'll be learning as we go along as well. So we'll be following them instructions exactly how they say. And hopefully from what I've seen on the instructions, it looks pretty easy, looks pretty basic, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. So let's jump under the bonnet and start this quick little job of fitting a catch can. All right guys, so here we have the catch can. And so far on the instructions, all it said is to fit the bracket and fit the fittings to it, so it's ready to go. Now the next step on this is to remove these two 13mm bolts on the front of the head there, and this will then fit there just like that. So we'll get to removing them bolts and mounting this up, and then we will start on the hose. Alright guys, so there you go. The bracket and the catch can are now installed. That's a pretty simple and basic step. So as I said before, all we've had to do is attach the tank to the bracket, put on the fittings, and then remove the two 13mm bolts from the front of the head and attach the bracket to that and do it all up. So the only other thing you have to do, guys, is you do have to buy some hose. So this is just 3/8 fuel hose. You just pick up a meter. You're not going to need that much, but yeah, you're just going to need a little bit to run from here down to here, and then from this one back into the in. Okay guys, so now you're moved into a better position. You can see that this here is the PCV hose, and it runs up this direction here. So all we've done is you just peel this stuff. This is normally right up on here like that. So we just peel that back until you see this hose here. Make a cut here, and that'll allow us to attach the hose that I showed you before that we had to purchase, the 3/8 fuel line. So I'll just make this cut and get on with it. So the next step is to attach 230mm of hose from here down onto the in, as in the catch tank. So it's coming out of the engine and into the catch can. So we'll cut this length and get it on. Alright, so let's double check everything. We've got the PCV line cut and reconnected and going into the catch can. That'll drop the oil down into there. Air will come out and come back out the catch can, back in through the PCV valve and into the intake, and away it goes. So we'll fire up and see if it's all going to work. So there you have it, guys. The catch can is installed, and I think it looks really good. It's quite an easy and basic job to do. You really only need minimal mechanical knowledge how to do this, and it's even easier because they provide instructions. So if you want to do this yourself at home, have a go. Just follow the instructions. You really can't mess it up from there. We've got waiting on one more part to turn up before we hit the track in a couple of weeks. I'm unsure if that part is going to arrive in time, but if it does, we'll be sure to get it fitted before we hit the track. If not, we're just going to have to race without it. So until next time, guys, I guess that's it. That's all I've got today. So until next time, keep driving the dream.